Hi folks, I did this one yesterday, but I was getting a bit pushed at the end, and I've noticed that the ready colours here aren't replicated here, and I could probably put a bit of highlight on these and sort this out. I haven't used any riggers in this. I've just done these two little figures, but I need to. They're sort of out of keeping with the general foliage here, so I want to beef that up a bit, and hope we can do something. Now, the brush that I'm going to use is that one, but I want to just strengthen up a little bit there. Little bits that I should have spent more time on, but I thought 47 minutes yesterday for one of my paintings was quite excessive. Right, let's get a bit of clean toweling, and I'm using this chrome yellow. I'm not sure, I'm going to use my cadmium yellow. Whoops, what have I done there? Dropped something on the floor. Oh, an acrylic. So let's put those on. We've got the plain grey, we've got the other primaries. So here we go. So we want to get some of that in here. Touch of red. See, that's the colour I left out, and I had a nice bit of light in here. Oh, look at that. Right, let's see if we can just brighten up the path. All right, let's go back into those. That's a bit too much, really. That's there's a nice light in there with that bit of red. Just even it up a little bit. Okay. Just catching some light on the top of that. I don't know if I'm improving this or what, but it's just been bugging me. I was looking at it, it was on a radiator shelf. Got to get the counter change right there. No, I want a green, nice green. Right, here's some lighter grasses. Well, we have had a lot of frost lately, but I haven't really painted the frost. Well, now, got an idea of putting some neutral colours in. Payne's grey, bit of white. Let's put a little bit of frost in there, so that'd be more appropriate to to what we've got. So I'm using texture to abolish detail. So what we've got now, that's probably wet. Oh, there's a little bit. They need to be toned down a little bit, but without ruining them, I don't know whether it'll work. Oh, that's a bit better. Oh, frost. I think it was the frost that was missing on the top of there. A bit more. That's a bit better. So we've got a foggy look now. Rising frost. Well, we've got to do a little bit more. We've got a nice bit of glow on the path. Right, okay, I'm going to leave that now. Put it back in the frame and we'll have a look at it. Right, put the pins back. That's two sides done. Oh, it's a fall apart. I always bang some pins in, slanted, on the bit that the board meets up with. I suppose the rebate or whatever. It just keeps the painting, the wet painting, off of the frame. A rebate, rabbit, a rebate. Right, there we are. Now then, let's have a look. Well, I think that's a bit better. The idea was to create an impressionist picture with no detail, well, we haven't got details, so I've toned those down, the figures. So all this now is just a bit of frost on the ground. Well, anyway, see what you make of that, folks. Thanks for watching. I'll load this now, and I've had enough painting for the week, so I'm not going to do anything more till Monday. So enjoy your weekends. Thanks for watching. I hope your team wins the football match this afternoon. As long as it's England. Bye bye. Oh.